Okay. That project is going to cover about 1.5 kilometers for road network. That is from the fire station to railway avenue. And it's a project that is costing around $1.4 million. And we are putting what is called the short concrete road. That's the best road in terms of carrying capacity, considering the kind of traffic that is passing through that road. That is supposed to be our last two projects this year because of funding constraints. But we hope it is going to greatly improve trafficability of our roads, particularly for heavy trucks. We have done Takuba commuter route, which is about 5 kilometers. And we've also done Chaminuka road in Greenside, which is about 1.6 kilometers. And in terms of this one, like I highlighted, it was 5. So in total, we are only managing here to do 8.16 kilometers. And, this project partly came from Zenara, from our partner fees, and from our road levy. And we've also partly funded those projects through a loan that we got from the ABC. And for this last project, we are paying a deposit and we negotiated to pay the balance until the first half of next year. Yeah, up to Park Road, it requires 2.9 million. And unfortunately, we can only track up to 1.4 million. So we have approached the central government to request for support. Our hope is that request will be funded, and should funding come through, we should be able to do up to Park Road. But it's a $2.9 million project. We are only putting 1.4 million, so there's a balance of 1.5 million. And, that would be having the best, given the nature of the road, especially as you cross that small bridge. Yeah, this road, it's not just a road service in MUTARE City. It's a national road that is servicing the whole country, and it even goes beyond the nation, where trucks from the region going to Mozambique as far as Tanzania, passing through the city, and these trucks are using this road. And for sure, that is our justification for requesting for support from central government. And I'm sure it will be of economic value to the national fiscal. I'm advised Zimona is now clearing an average of 1,000 trucks per day in one direction. And you can imagine the impact coming through from this intervention. So yeah, it is it's more of a regional road than a local road, and we look forward to support from central. The city is about 507 kilometers of road network, and what we are collecting from Zenara, from parking, from our residents is only enough to do 1.5 kilometers per year. And that's very, very insignificant, considering that today we are destroying an average of 25 kilometers, and we are only managing to cover 1.5 kilometers with 23.5 kilometers deficit, which is maintained and funded every year. That's why we then made proposals through our budget, tariff proposal for 2025. To finalize on those figures, We are yet to announce what came out from the consultation processes, but we hope next year there will be an adjustment upwards in terms of the road layout, so that we can improve on the coverage of roads that we rehabilitate per year. So there's a serious funding there. If we draw all our roads in 1 year, we require an average of 110 million US dollars. So there's serious underfunding for our roads.